The man accused of committing a gruesome crime in Montreal, then leading authorities on an international manhunt, is back in this country tonight to face criminal charges. Luka Magnotta was extradited from Germany and arrived in police custody on a Canadian military plane. The CBC's Catherine Cullen was at the airport when it touched down. Catherine?
Wendy, it's highly unusual for a suspect to be brought back home by Canadian military transport, but police say there was simply no way that this suspect could be put on a commercial flight where others might recognize his face and the horrifying acts of which he is accused. Accused of a heinous crime, he was brought home under tight police escort. Luka Magnotta wasn't off the plane long before he was whisked away by a convoy of official vehicles.
At least the suspect is here. He'll be detained. They will be able to question him, and everything went well in the airplane. No problem with the suspect. The suspect was cuffed. 6 officers in Montreal were on board, but none of them were wearing a weapon at that moment.
Magnotta was arrested 2 weeks ago at this internet cafe in Berlin. He did not fight extradition to Canada. The murder he's accused of was horrifying. A torso found in a suitcase outside his apartment. A hand and foot mailed to political parties in Ottawa. Days later, another hand and foot arrived at 2 elementary schools in Vancouver. Police still haven't found the head. DNA testing confirmed the victim was Montreal student Jun Lin. The 33-year-old's family described him as their pride and hope. This criminal lawyer says all the publicity around the trial will make it harder to find an unbiased jury.
It's murder and you're supposed to go before jury. It would take the consent of both parties to go before a judge alone, and this is not that type of case.
Montreal police say that Magnotta is being held at an operational center in the city's north end. He's expected to appear before a judge in the next 24 hours where he will face charges, including first-degree murder. Wendy?
Thanks so much, Catherine. Catherine Cullen tonight.